Hello, everybody in the camera crew. This is the new camera. The previous camera had a 3x zoom, and this one has a 10x zoom. So it's actually located up right in the corner where the choir meets, right in the corner where you turn in the pews. So it's more obscure and out of the way. It's also got presets. So this is preset button number 1. Want to go in closer for Max, you go to preset number 2, doing the announcements. Hit 2 and then enter, and you're set. Then you want to go to Max at the podium for the close-up. No longer need the laptop for that because you just hit 3 and enter, and you get the close-up. Then, oh, wait a minute, there's the organ. That's number 4. Press 4 and enter, and we go to the organ. Then you want to zoom in to Evangelina playing, and you just go in with the zoom, which is just turning the knob on the joystick. You turn it to zoom in, you turn it counterclockwise to zoom out. With a 10x zoom, you literally could get her picking at the keys. So you've got that, and then the choir is number 5. Press 5 and enter, and we're on the choir. Then when the soloist is doing that beautiful solo like last Sunday, you can zoom in with a close-up on that soloist. With a little work, we'll work out the edges of the zoom because it's touchy and we just have to get used to handling the control. The control panel is far easier than the remote control and much more efficient because you don't have to worry about signal issues. It's wired directly. I'll have long enough wires that we can determine where the computer is going to be set up based on desirability, not based on the need of the camera, because we can go 50 feet away from it. Then we're doing joys and concerns. So we hit number 6 and enter, and it goes over to the congregation. And likewise, we can zoom in on the person that's speaking and literally see Sally Hussey or whoever it may be directly. Literally, I'm holding back on the zoom, but go all the way in for a close-up. Anytime we move the camera manually, it's a good idea to zoom out and then turn the camera. You can see you get a much nicer move that way. If you zoom in, we're in close on the organ, and we want to go over to the pulpit. It's not the best view to present. So the difference between that and zooming out and making that motion, which you can do at the same time, is much more appealing to those who are watching at home. And then you zoom in on the organ, whatever. So you can go manually or by the buttons. Preset 1 being the whole front. Number 2, enter. That shot of the podium and the table, which isn't there now, but as I said, you can see the ability to go close for close-ups, and I still have a long ways that I could go. So that's what we have evolved to. I suggest that we all join together for a meeting to kind of plan some of this stuff up and do a direct training. So that's my 2 cents, and I Hope y'all enjoy the show.